Even though we tend to spend far too much time in our beds these days, most of that time is spent scrolling endlessly on social media and watching a little too many one more episodes on Netflix. Because of that, and how stressful lives are in general, most of us actually struggle to fall asleep most of the time. However, there might be one natural, magical solution to that problem. A solution that could garner much more than just regular sleep, called lion's mane mushroom, and in this video, we're going to dig deeper to figure out what it can actually do. So keep on watching. Lion's mane mushroom. Hericium erinaceus, also known as lion's mane mushroom because no one can say Hericium erinaceus on a daily basis, is an edible mushroom. This is a mushroom that can be eaten pretty much any way a person wants. You could pick it up and eat it raw, cut it up and cook it, steam it, or even dry it and have it as a snack, make a tea from it or even have its extract. The possibilities are literally endless. Another reason why this mushroom is called lion's mane is the fact that it doesn't look like an ordinary mushroom. It's actually fairly shruggy in terms of looks, and at first glance, looks like an actual lion's mane. But its appearance isn't really the only thing that sets it apart. It's supposed to have a plethora of benefits. Benefits that you can't really get from other mushrooms. Now, before you think that all mushrooms have psychedelic properties, they don't. Lion's mane is proof of that. It's the only non-psychedelic mushroom that can literally help brain growth, even after your brain has naturally stopped growing. Yep, that's right, the benefits, without the crazy psychedelic effects. There are a lot of things that lion's mane mushrooms can do. It helps relieve major symptoms of anxiety and depression, improves the strength of your immune system, helps heal injuries faster, even injuries to the nervous system. On the more extreme side, it's said to also help the brain fight dementia and the body fight cancer. Lion's mane also helps reduce inflammation, and with that, it lowers the user's risk of heart disease. But all of that isn't the reason we're talking about it today, it's because of the impressive effects it has on sleep. Lion's mane mushrooms literally alter the way your body reacts to stress, helping it adapt to it better so it doesn't end up affecting you enough to ruin your sleep. In addition to that, it also creates its own sedative effect on the user. When it's consumed, the user will feel sleepy, and because their stress levels are also greatly lowered, they'll be able to fall asleep a lot easier, but that's not all. Because lion's mane has triterpenoids, which reduce stress, inflammation, and act as a sedative, it's easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. The overall quality of sleep increases drastically. The mushroom helps people fall asleep fairly quickly, reaching the non-REM sleep faster and lengthening the REM sleep too. REM sleep is the fourth stage of sleep, the deep sleep, where the brain is so active that you're able to have vivid dreams. This is a stage that's extremely beneficial for the brain because it keeps the sections of your brain that control learning and retaining memories. The longer someone is in REM sleep, the better and fresher they'll end up feeling when they wake up. For an adult, it's important that at least 20% of all sleep time is spent in REM sleep. Any less than that can lead to symptoms of sleep deprivation, which affects the overall quality of life. Is it going to work for everyone? Lion's mane mushrooms can lead to benefits that can make your entire life better by helping your brain and body reach their full potential without ever having to go through the unpredictable psychedelic effects that shrooms are usually known for. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all type of deal. It's not necessary that if they work for someone one way, they'll work for another that same exact way. Our bodies are made different, and they react to things differently too. It also depends on when the mushrooms are consumed. Lion's mane mushrooms work the best when they're taken earlier in the day compared to right before bed. However, to get the right dosage, it's important to talk to your physician and slowly work the mushrooms into your system in a safe way to gain all the benefits, and unlock the amazing level of sleep you've probably never had before. And on that note, we wrap up today's video. Knowing all the effects, would you give lion's mane a try? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. See you in the next one.